On October 31st, IBA officially opened its new Asia headquarters in Beijing, in China. The inauguration took place in the presence of the Belgian ambassador to China. It's a major milestone in IBA's strategic expansion across the Asia-Pacific region. Establishing a base in Beijing strengthens IBA's footprint in the Chinese market. It also supports the transformation and upgrading of China's high-end manufacturing sector. The new hub will foster collaboration with hospitals, research institutions, and industry partners. It will improve support for customers and give IBA access to Beijing's deep talent pool to accelerate innovation. The event attracted strong media attention across the region. Major outlets highlighted IBA's leadership in proton therapy and precision medicine. IBA is paving the way for localized innovation and broader access to cutting-edge cancer care across Asia.